I'm going to share a recipe of a perfect vanilla cupcakes. These are so much better than store-bought. It's a perfect party cupcake. The texture is incredible and this is only recipe you will need for your vanilla cupcakes. Hello everyone, this is Nazish here and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you my recipe of vanilla cupcakes. So let's get started. For making vanilla cupcakes, you will need half cup of butter, 2 large eggs at room temperature, 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup of buttermilk, 3/4 cup of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. First, we will combine the dry ingredients. In the medium mixing bowl, add 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour or maida with 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Whisk those together nicely and set them aside. In another large mixing bowl, add half cup of soft butter. The butter should be at room temperature. With 3/4 cup of granulated sugar or caster sugar. Use an electric beater to beat those together on medium-high speed for about 5 minutes or until the mixture is thick and fluffy. Next, add 2 large room temperature eggs, adding them one at a time and beating well with each addition. Make sure to scrape down the bowl with a spatula as needed so that your mixture is smooth and well combined. Once the eggs are well blended, add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Now this time reduce the mixture to a medium speed. And add your all-purpose flour. Start that on low speed unless you want to be standing in a cloud of flour. Then increase the speed to a medium high. Beat them about 2 minutes. Add half cup of room temperature buttermilk. Make sure to beat well with each addition so that the flour and buttermilk are well incorporated before adding more. Alternating the flour like this will help keep the mixture smooth. It's also really important to use room temperature ingredients to keep the butter from hardening. Now the batter is ready to go in a muffin tray. Now I'm baking the cupcakes without oven. Put any rack inside so that your muffin tray doesn't touch the bottom of the vessel, and cover it nicely. And preheat the vessel on medium-low speed. Now this recipe makes 12 to 15 perfect vanilla cupcakes. I'm lining a 6-count muffin tin with paper liners. The batter will be really thick, which makes it easy to portion into muffin tins, and it's okay if it looks slightly grainy. Using a trigger release ice cream scoop makes portioning much easier. Pour the batter evenly into 6-lined muffin tins, filling them about 2/3 full. Make sure you don't overfill. Once those are out from the vessel, let them cool for 5 minutes in a tray, then transfer them into a wire rack to cool completely before adding the frosting. Now I am going to show you how to make a go-to all-time favorite cupcake frosting. Pour 1.5 cups of cold heavy sweet whipping cream into a large mixing bowl. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Beat them on high speed for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the cream is whipped, fluffy, smooth and spreadable. You can add more sugar if needed, if in case you eat more sugar. Transfer the frosting to a pastry bag fitted with a piping tip. If you wrap the bag around your hand, it will keep the edges clean and it will make much easier to pipe. Now the frosting is ready and our cupcakes are completely at room temperature. We are ready to frost them. You never want to frost a warm cupcake on frosting or frosting will melt. Alright, these are ready to get enjoyed, but we are going to add the decorations on the cupcake. Give it a try. We've made this countless times and they are so good, they always disappear fast. I'm going to see you in the next video. Have a good day ahead.